The TP-Link Archer C6 is a popular router, offering excellent features at a budget-friendly price. However, beyond its standard settings, there are some hidden or lesser-known configurations that can enhance your network's performance, security, and customization. Let's explore these secret settings and how you can access them. 1. Advanced Wireless Settings. The Archer C6 provides options to fine-tune your wireless performance. Here's how to access and tweak them. Access. Log into the router's web interface, http 192.168.0.1 or http://tplinkwifi.net. Navigate to Advanced Advanced settings. Hidden gems. Beacon interval. Adjust this to optimize network stability. Default is 100 milliseconds. Reducing it might help in high-density environments. DTIM. Interval. Lowering this value can improve real-time applications like gaming, but may affect battery life on connected devices. Transmit power. Set to low for smaller spaces to reduce interference or high for extended range. Second band steering, Smart Connect. Combine the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands into a single SID, allowing the router to intelligently steer devices to the most suitable band. Access. Advanced wireless settings. Enable. Smart Connect. Benefits. Reduces congestion on the 2.4 GHz band. Optimizes speed and performance for dual-band devices. 3. Airtime fairness. Ensure all devices get equal access to the network, preventing slower devices from hogging bandwidth. Access. Advanced airtime fairness. Enable. Airtime fairness. Benefits. Improves performance in networks with mixed-speed devices, especially useful if legacy 802.11bg devices are present. 4. VPN server, L2TP/PTP. Set up your Archer C6 as a VPN server for secure remote access to your home network. Access. Advanced VPN server. Setup. Enable L2TP or PPTP server. Configure username and password. Set up port forwarding if accessing from outside your network. Benefits. Secure access to home devices and data while traveling. 5 WDS. Bridging. Turn the Archer C6 into a wireless bridge to extend the range of another network. Access. Advanced wireless settings. Setup. Enable WDS bridging. Scan for the primary router and connect. Enter the primary router's security credentials. Benefits. Extends your network without additional wiring. Ideal for connecting remote devices. 6. Parental controls and time limits. Restrict internet access for specific devices during set hours. Access. Basic parental controls. Setup. Add target devices by MAC address. Set access schedules. Benefits. Enforce screen time for kids or manage work from home productivity. 7. IPv6 support. Future-proof your network by enabling IPv6. Access. Advanced in network IPv6. Setup. Select Dynamic IP /DHCPv6 or configure manually. Check with your ISP for IPv6 compatibility. Benefits. Enhanced security and performance. Compatibility with modern services. 8. Custom DDNS, Dynamic DNS. Access your home network remotely with a consistent hostname. Access. Advanced Dynamic DNS. Setup. Register for a DDNS service like NoIP or TP-Link DDNS. Configure login credentials in the router. Benefits. Ideal for hosting servers or remote file access. 9. System logs and debugging. Dive deeper into router diagnostics to troubleshoot issues. Access. Advanced system tools system log. Benefits. Monitor traffic and system errors. Debug connectivity issues. 10. Hidden URL-based settings. TP-Link routers often have hidden pages accessible via specific URLs. Some examples include Wireless Advanced Settings. HTTP 192.168.0.1/advlan.htm. System Parameters. HTTP 192.168.0.1/sysparams.htm. Note, these may vary by firmware version. 11.